All right guys, here we are, OGG with the obstacle course DIY. So this is our Plyo hop station. We built all of these out of 8x6, so you can just get some big 8x6. Built it into the hillside. We wanted to have an 18-inch rise. So from the step itself all the way to the top, we wanted an 18-inch rise. So these are 6 inches, times 3. And then on the top, we wanted to have at least 16, 18 inches of a landing surface. So we wanted to have, 6 total steps. It's a great Plyo hop. You can do so many different things with it. You can implement bags or weights or any of that kind of stuff. But it's such a cool way that you can just build a little obstacle into your landscape if you have a hillside. So we used 3/4 inch spikes, and these spikes, you can just, if you want, you can use rebar. Rebar works really well, or you can just kind of pound it down with like a railroad tie spike. So that worked really well for us. But we backfilled it all with dirt, and then we have this really cool obstacle again that you can use for just about anything.